Here are the ingredients you'll need.
1. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees, 190 degrees C. Grease a 9-stick 13-inch baking dish.
2. Peel, core, and slice about 6 to 8 medium apples. Choose your favorite variety, Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, or a mix work well.
3. In a large bowl, toss the sliced apples with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. 4. Gently mix the apples until they are evenly coated with the spices and sugar.
5. Pour the apple mixture into the prepared baking dish. Spread it evenly. 6. For the crumble topping, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 or 2 cup of rolled oats, 1 or 2 cup of brown sugar, 1 or 2 cup of cold butter, cut into cubes, and 1 or 4 teaspoon of salt in a separate bowl. 7. Use your fingers or a pastry blender to cut the butter into the dry ingredients until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs.
Sprinkle the crumble, topping evenly over the apples in the baking dish. 9. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes, or until the topping is golden brown and the apples are tender.
Done, and let the crumble cool slightly before serving. 11. Serve warm, optionally with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or a dollop of whipped cream.
12. Enjoy your delicious homemade apple crumble.